Look at this, guys, how amazing this is. It's really work, but I'm going to test this in a little bit harder scratch and I will see if it works. So when it's like this small, it seems to work very well, but we're going to test a little bit harder this pen and see how it's works. Like I say, here we have a little bit bigger scratch, like you see here. So here is no color at all. If this one works here, this is best. If not, it works only for small scratches. So now the test begin. It seems not to work here, but I think this works only for small scratches, not for big like this. This will not work, I don't think so. In first one we saw result, but here no. This will not work a scratch like this, but like that first one is amazing. So here it is, Profession color scratch repair pen. Absolutely awesome. Test it for small scratches.